Snipe Squad, what is going on, boy? I'm talking about on. Back again, it is your boy Sniper Jones, and I am back with another video for your head top. What is good, everybody, man? I hope all y'all is doing well, man. It is your boy Sniper Jones. Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to yet another video. If you're new to this channel, man, I always come up with crazy ideas. I always come up with dope videos for your head top. Daily content over here at this channel, so make sure you hit the subscribe button if you are new. Also, follow me on Instagram at Sniper Jones. Both of those will be linked down below in the description of the video and running through your screen right about now. Now, guys, I gotta talk to y'all, man, because last video, a lot of you guys DM me, y'all hit me up and y'all say, look, man, look, the Reshovenator is amazing. You know, it's amazing. I used it, man, and I really appreciate you for showing us how to use the Reshovenator solution. Which is here, man. You can go over to reshovenator.com and purchase your Reshovenator solution because it got my, what was those, ugly sweater 7s? Those was terrible, bro, but they got them back right, though. That's on dog. But a lot of people were still asking questions not in belief, man, and I told y'all, my favorite product out of Reshovenator is the water and stain repellent because it's the simplest to use and I kind of need it on a day-to-day. Reason being is because I live in Atlanta where it's a lot of gunk and a lot of junk out here in the streets, and whenever I'm vlogging, whenever I'm out and about, I just want to make sure my sneakers is protected at all times. So as y'all seen by the thumbnail, bro, I'm gonna do something crazy, okay? I'm gonna do something to the extreme to just prove my point. Everybody wants to know, does Reshovenator work? I've done it before and I have no problem doing it again, and I really hope you enjoy this video because, I mean, at the end of the day, bro, this gonna be a banger. Keep in mind, guys, if it's anything that you guys like or if anything you guys see that you want to go cop, man, Reshovenator will be linked down below in the description, and you can use my discount code SNIPER to get 10% off any of your purchases, man. You can stack them all up, and then at the end when you're ready to check out, use that discount code SNIPER and save you some ends. That's what I'm about. I'm all trying to save them ducats, you know what I mean? So this video not gonna be too long, so make sure you hit the thumbs up button on this video. But without further ado, let me show y'all how to use this and the results of the sneaker repellent water and stain spray from Reshovenator. Alright, man, so it's really pretty easy, man. The first thing that you need is your Reshovenator water and stain repellent. Now all you need is the actual sneaker that you want to use, and me, I chose an all-white shoe just to show y'all that it's not a game. Look, I'm gonna look into the camera, okay? Look, your boy Jones, I'm trying to tell y'all, okay? I picked an all-white sneaker, one of my favorite all-white sneakers, one of the only all-white sneakers. I only own like 2 all-white shoes, but I picked the one I like the most. Here we have it, man. These are the Pure Money 4s. Like I said, one of the only white sneakers I have in my collection, and look at that. Look how clean these boys is, bro. Look how clean these is. But they ain't gonna be clean for long, though, boy. I know y'all saw the thumbnail. They not gonna be clean for long. Here we have it, man. The Pure Money 4s. I love this shoe. You know, look at the back tab. You see the Pure Money right there on the back tab. You see the metallic on the right here on the accents of the shoe. It's just a beautiful shoe. I love the Jordan 4. So I'm gonna show y'all how to apply the sneaker water stain and repellent spray, man, just to give y'all a good idea. It's super easy. Alright, man, so first thing you wanna do, you wanna shake this bad baby up and make sure you hold the sneaker a little bit far from your face. You don't want all of this mist getting in your eyes, okay? You don't want that. So keep it like a nice little distance away. You know, give it a nice little shake, and you want to spray it, but when you spray it, you want to make sure it's like some nice, even, thick coats around the whole entire sneaker. Don't be missing no gaps and stuff like that. You want to make sure you get the entire shoe. So I'm gonna stop talking and show you how it's done. Actually, I'm gonna get close on the camera. All right, let's get it. And basically what I'm doing, man, like I said, I'm just getting some thick, even coats on there to make sure I get the shoe completely covered, because you want to you want to cover the complete shoe. So you know what I'm saying? Flip it around real quick. I'm gonna even get the laces too, man. We can't be leaving out nothing, cause what I'm about to do with this shoe is about to be pretty bold. Alright, man, so that's pretty much it, man. I sprayed a lot on here. You don't have to spray as much as I did, but I like to be careful. The proper instructions is to let this sit for about 6 hours. Let it sit in and let it just all marinate. Let it soak in your J's or whatever you use. You know what I'm saying? Let it soak in. And by the way, man, for guys that's actually questionable about what this spray is good for, I know a lot of people have these scares that if they spray stuff on their sneakers, it might mess up. But trust me, this repellent is actually very good for leather, nubuck, suede, canvas, and nylon, man. So if you have any of those materials in your sneakers, trust me, it is safe to spray on, I guarantee. So as I was saying, man, you're supposed to let these sit for about 6 hours, and as y'all can see, I just sprayed mine on, but I sprayed another pair, which is the right side of the sneaker. So I just sprayed the left side to show y'all how to do it, but I sprayed the right side earlier today, so they're ready to go, bro. They ready to go, man. So what I did was I just put in the adjustable shoe tree. You can get that from RESHOVEN8R as well. I put that up in there just to get that toe box nice and ready, because we about to get wild. You know what I mean? Hey, we about to get wild. I ain't gonna hold you. It's about to get real wild. Now y'all seen on the thumbnail, I know why y'all came, man. Y'all seen on the thumbnail what we about to do to these. And now I ain't gonna lie. I'm not the boldest, okay? I'm not the boldest. It's time though, it's time. So look, let me go ahead and grab it. It's right over here. You know, we got the Heinz ketchup, bro. And as y'all can see, in my house we use the ketchup, so the bottle gone. But that's not the point. The point is, okay, I am prepared for all y'all who got questions about the RESHOVEN8R water repellent spray. For all y'all who got questions, man, I am here to get it right. So it's about to go down, man. I'm gonna shake it up, you know what I'm saying, get it right, cause I'm about to turn a lot of heads today. And it's full up, man. So I'ma, you know, put it here, and I'ma drop it on there. I'ma pour it on top of the sneaker. I'ma pour it all on top of the sneaker, and I want y'all to see it. So I'ma do it live. I ain't gonna do no cuts, no nothing. I'm gonna make sure this don't spill and get on my shirt. You know what I'm saying? I don't want that. The top is up. Matter of fact, hold on, I'm about to troll. Before we use the ketchup on this all white, beautiful, just a beautiful Pure Money sneaker, go ahead and hit that like button right now, bro. Can I please get y'all to hit the like button? Matter of fact, pause the video, hit the like button. Alright, okay, cool, I appreciate it. Hey, look, it goes a long way, brother. It goes a long way. But hey, hold on. We back to it. I ain't forget. I did not forget. Let's do it, man. I'm ready. I am ready. Here we have it. Here we go. Here we go. Look at that. Look at that. And look. No cap. No cap. That's not no edits. That is not nothing. That is tomato sauce. Okay? Okay? That is tomato sauce. Now I'm gonna grab something to just right here so it can fall on, because you know I ain't trying to have it fall on the carpet or nothing like that. And I'm gonna just let that slide off. Just let that slide off, right? Let that slide off. And now I'm gonna get a wet rag and I'm gonna just wipe it down. That's all I'm gonna do. I'm gonna just wipe it down. That's it. So here we have the wet rag, and like I said, I'm gonna just wipe it down. That's it. Just wipe it down. Y'all see I ain't doing nothing more, nothing less. I'm just giving it a good old wipe me down, you know what I mean? That is it, ladies and gentlemen. That is it. A good old wipe me down, okay? I wanna make sure I get all of it. It's a little bit right here in the corner that I can't get to because of this stupid netting on the floor. Can't get to it. But, hey, look at that, bro. Stop playing with me, bro. Come on, man. Like, listen. Listen, this is not a game. It's just brand spanking new. Nothing happened. Now, look, okay? I just poured freaking Heinz ketchup on this Jordan 4. I highly doubt whatever you going through in life, brother. I really doubt it get as bad as it just went. Okay, all right, scenario. Okay, you might, you know, spill some soda, you know what I'm saying? Might take a bite of the hot dog and maybe a drip will fall on your sneakers. But not a whole, like I just poured a lot, man. Like, that's a lot. Yeah, that was a lot. I doubt it get that bad ever unless you're like 5 years old. So trust me when I tell y'all, the water stain and repellent does work. It does work. It is legit. You have to use this, man. For all my guys who rocking with this. Like I say, I spray it on my sneakers before I hit the city, and that is why they still A1. That's why they still fresh. Now, for anybody who's looking forward to getting this water stain and repellent spray, like I said, RESHOVEN8R is linked down below in the description. Use the discount Sniper, man. Save you some ends and get you something to protect those grails. As I said once before, man, follow me on Instagram at Sniper Jones. Both of those will be linked down below as well. Last but not least, subscribe to the channel, man. We still grinding, trying to hit that 100K, and I appreciate y'all as always. You know I gotta come through and just drop the gems. You know, I gotta drop the gems. But without further ado, y'all know I can't leave without saying, everybody wanna be famous. But who really putting in that work though? Snipe Squad, I love y'all. Dream big.